met you in Houston, but you're from Atlanta, New York from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck, all I know is you hot and you know it.
Hello guys, welcome back to K's World. Welcome back to another video. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification because you don't want to miss out on no videos. So today we're gonna do ASMR with slime. They're all. So we're gonna play slime a little bit. First thing we're gonna use, I think, is this one. Put these together. Alright. I'm gonna put those together. Alright, so first is this. It's like a blue with purple. It's meant to be blue though, but I put this color mixed it, but it's like a bluish purple with low-key kind of blue. This one's like a purple, like a dark purple. Okay.
Be more professional and do much better work.
I think all of these are water slimes. It doesn't look like water slime, but it is. I can see how it moves. It's water slime. I made this slime with this mixture stuff. I might make this video tomorrow, so yeah. It's like a little, it's like a person. And then, wow. It's like a,
you need to be more active in your business so you can watch what your staff are doing, go through your finances, taking responsibility, right, and being grown up. And you did actually show me today that you were capable of that. I have a huge impact on a lot of people by owning this place. Well, that brings me to my next recommendation. Okay. Michelle. She has a horrible time management issue. Yes. She has a real problem.
it's so perfect and beautiful. I think we're gonna put this one away. Oh, that's not ours.
You have to look at your livelihood and the best thing.
Not cut, but
Literally never find it.
who's going to do that? Oh, I think it. Alright. Oh, jeez. Now I'm gonna put the purple slime. Okay, so, ooh. Oh my god, well, thank you for subscribing to me. It means a lot to me, but try to get me to 300 subscribers. So I think we could do it. Alright, now this is it. So cute. So yeah. Look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Wow.
I wish that today I hadn't asked you to take that haircut that Miriam really wanted me to take because I only had 45
Like a room.
wanted me to.
Wow.
She said that I was
The
going to
first
take the money. I had
stitches.
one client. To me, it's really important.
It's just so
that
long and
feels
beautiful.
Like a priority. So it's sometimes
It's
I like
and
to
something.
make my first act
It's stick to one.
Michelle.
Pull it, pull it, pull it. Then pattern cake, pattern cake, make it bed. Roll it, bake it, print it with a B, now the sun goes immediate.
when I'm working on them. You know, April
Alright.
were bad.
I'm about to go get my microphone. I'll be right back. Don't mind this, y'all. Connected, but yeah. So look how beautiful the sun is.
So you can focus on what matters most.
Wow. And
And you were the best teacher.
okay. So we're doing ASMR.
There's a network for a full day service. That's all part of the AT&T guarantee. Brought to you by America's largest wireless network.
Miriam and I have been sitting down with our recommendations and talking about how we thought you all did today. Miriam has promised me that she is going to step up and be more active in her salon so that she can not only take care of you, but also enforce consequences.
Oh
One of the
my
other
god.
things that I recommended to
Yeah.
Miriam is
Yeah.
that there is no more gossiping in here.
How's done, done, done.
Just her, I officially apologize for not addressing the letter situation.
Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all.
And I'm really, really sorry that
So that's it.
anyone else
So that's it for the purple slime.
that you start doing color. Your client was red today, and you need to start doing those kinds of
Ooh, but putting the purple slime back. Now with the last release, the pink slime. Oh. Alright.
How do you think you did today?
I tried to make yours today.
Yeah, what is that?
My best to
What is that sound?
I did not 100%.
How's done, done, done?
The salon when you have
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
information for 1 week.
It's so
At
pretty.
the end of that week, if there's no change, it leaves me no choice but to replace you with a stylist that will generate income into the salon.
I think it's rocking.
It stretches.
Miriam would put me on.
It stretches like string cheeks.
I'm not a perfect stylist.
So y'all, I'm sorry to do about pink slime, but what kind of video? Huh?
The person that I know you can be. I'm really impressed with
Y'all,
your very extensive
I don't know what's wrong with my microphone,
responsibility.
but
So
it literally got my ears ringing. Like, oh my god. But that's it for the pink slime. Bye y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.